Hello and welcome to Get Started. Today we're looking at the total control restaurant solution and also focusing on the orders feature. So let's get started. Start by clicking orders and we'll focus on what's happening on the left hand side of the screen. The reason for doing this is I want you to get control over all of your scheduled orders first. Now, after you order food from a supplier, you usually receive an order note. I would like you to upload that order note to the system in order to have control over when it comes to your restaurant and have it as a digital viewing. Simply press one of the buttons here that says import scheduled orders. There are 3 of them in the same screen. Press one of them and then select the order note that you've received from your supplier. Simply import it and control that you have the right information. The main information to think about here is the day and the date of delivery correct? If that's the case, move on, and voila, all of the information that you have on the order note is digital. You'll be able to view the product name, quantity, price, total value of the order, when it was ordered, how many items were ordered, and when it is scheduled to be delivered. You can easily edit the information. I would recommend keeping it as is because this is information that you have received from the supplier, and this information you will now, after doing this, control when you receive the delivery from them. I'll tell you more about that as we move on. You can also delete the order if something went wrong, and you can edit the order details. For example, if you saw that the scheduled for delivery date was wrong, you can just simply edit it. Okay, so you are able to see the order that you've uploaded. If you've uploaded multiple orders, you will simply see that in the list below here. So the more orders, the more fields of scheduled orders. And this interface is easy for managers and owners to use because they mostly work on the computer, but you also have this interface on the mobile, and this is how that looks. So it's the same information. You will be able to see the scheduled orders when they are ordered and when they're scheduled to come. And the reason for having this information on the app is to help the employees do delivery control. This is an extremely easy way for your employees to control that you have received the right amount of items from the supplier, the right expiration dates, and if there is some issues with delivery. For example, if everything is all fine with the bacon that is being delivered, you simply press OK. If there's an issue that you need to report, maybe the bacon package has been damaged or the expiration date has passed or anything like that, you would like to report that. And it's so easy to do that by just adding the information in this interface. After you've gone through everything that is supposed to be delivered, you simply press finish and complete. Once you've done this, that information is sent to the manager so that they can contact the supplier if something's wrong with the delivery. When completing this list, one other thing that happens is that your inventory is automatically updated. You will also see that the delivered or the scheduled order has been moved to delivered. So you will at all times have control over what kind of deliveries are you expecting today or tomorrow or a week from now, and what kind of deliveries have been delivered, and has there been any issues with the delivery. Going back to the desktop interface, which is similar, you would have the same interface for delivered orders, and if there has been any issues with the different deliveries. So in this case, there is damaged packaging, and this has been notified to the managers and the supplier, and it's so easy for you using the solution to know of any issues, what's been delivered, and what is coming to the restaurant. Now that was a quick introduction into the orders feature. Next time we will go through the inventory feature. I would highly recommend you to test this feature first to get familiar with how it works on the desktop and also on the app interface. With that, I just will wish you pleasant testing and enjoy learning more about how the solution works and how it can help you save time, money, and also prevent food waste. Enjoy!